Students, next we are going to know about first aid treatment for fractures. Okay, so before going to know about first aid treatment for fractures, first we should know what is this fractures. So, fracture is nothing but when a bone breaks or cracks. It is called a fracture. Okay, so all of you see here in this picture, bone is broken, right? Okay, so here it is called as a fracture. This fracture can cause unbearable pain. Okay, this causes more pain. And in case of fracture, what we should do? We should follow some steps. So that is, so first make sure the patient is made comfortable and calm. Okay, so always be very calm while giving first aid, right? Okay, so we should stay calm ourselves and also calm down the injured person also, right? And after, do not try to move the patient or touch the injured area. Okay, so as it may cause further injury, pain to the broken part. Okay, so in this case, okay, in case of fractures, first you should take the patient immediately to a doctor for consultation of doctor. In case of fracture, the fractured area needs a rigid support. Okay, so this fractured area needs a rigid support. It is called as a splint. Okay, so all of you see here, this is fractured area, right? Okay, so this fractured area needs support. Okay, so this support is called as a splint. Okay, so this splint will prevent displacement of the bone. Okay, and also avoid injuries. And you can use a newspaper, a magazine, a cardboard as a splint. Okay, so here the fractured area needs a rigid support. It is called as a splint. Okay, so a splint will prevent displacement of the bone and help avoid injuries to the surrounding area, surrounding fractured area. Okay, so you can use a newspaper, a magazine, a cardboard as a splint. Okay, and in case of a fractured arm, do not let it hang down. Okay, so instead of use a sling to support it. Okay, so a sling is a flexible strap used in the form of a loop for the support. Okay, so like this, so like this. Okay, so in an emergency you can use a dupatta for a sling. Okay, so students, this is all about first aid treatment in case of fracture. Okay, so students, in this class we have learnt about first aid treatment for nosebleed and first aid treatment for fractures, right? If you have any doubts, questions, ask in online session. All of you should follow given worksheet. Thank you, students.